Good morning. Welcome to Robyn's Roost. Today things are kind of crazy, at least in my mind. I don't know about anywhere else, but I'm kind of more of a cuckoo bird today, I think. So I'm doing something really different today. I'm making a card that I haven't made before. I just have this idea in my head. Sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't, you're not going to see this video. So let's flip the camera and see what happens. So I have two stamp sets that I'm going to be working with. The Bird's Eye View, which thank you for loaning it to me, Sandy Raid. And I have the Sweet Songbirds. Because there are no greetings in the Bird's Eye View, I picked this other kind of tweety one, right, to have some greetings to use. So I'm going to set those off to the side. Well, actually, my idea is that I'm going to be using these three, Dad, Mom, and Baby, and create a card using some punches. So they're going to be punched out and on this card. So I think to begin with, I am going to start punching so that I don't stamp in the wrong place. So this is the new 2 3/8 inch punch. You can get it either as a bundle with the circle sayings, or you can buy it separately. And I also pulled in a couple of my, I'm not even sure if any of these are available from Stampin' Up! Right now, but they're just plain old circle punches. This one's a 1 1/4. And not 1 1/4, 2 1/4. And then I have a 2 inch. So I have like a whole set of punches of all different sizes on my shelf. You might recognize this as like an ancient whale punch, right? This is my 1 3/4. And hopefully the greeting will fit on that one, is my thought, right? So let's start stamping. So we'll start with Dad on the big one. And then let's see if Mom fits on the next one. And then let's see which one the greeting is going to fit on. And I'm using the A Little Bird Told Me. Okay, so this one will fit on either one. I think I'm going to put the baby bird on the little one, just because he looks like that's a perfect fit. And then A Little Bird Told Me. Okay, I think that's all the stamping we're going to be doing. So now let's go and do some coloring. And I've chosen 4 colors of Stampin' Blend markers. I have Lemon Lolly, Light Poppy Parade, Poppy Parade, Azure Afternoon, and Wild Wheat. We'll see how this goes. So our little baby bird, and I'm not going to do any fancy coloring here. We're going to do him yellow, like he's the chick, right? Chicks tend to be fluffy and yellow. And then we'll just come in with the light and we'll do his wing. Oh, he kind of needs something more, doesn't he? Although chicks kind of look like that. Let's do his little beak with the wild wheat. Okay, so now Mama Bird. So there's Mama Bird. Papa Bird almost really looks like an owl, right? We're going to pretend he's a bluebird instead of more of an owl that he looks like. Maybe this is a mixed race family. Okay. Now, I had chosen a wild wheat base, and this is a piece of the designer series paper, the in color one. So part of the reason that I've had such a distractible week is that I am getting ready for a camp and stamp event that's going to take place on Friday and Saturday. It's an overnighter at my cabin on a lake here in Minnesota. And I've been just going crazy designing cards for that event. And then I also have my regular card class that goes on Wednesdays. So now we have to decide if we need some layers behind these guys, right? So let me pull out the Stylish Shapes dies and see what I have. So the Stylish Shapes dies have this nice bunch of circles, right? And that'll be too big unless we trim off the edges, right? I'm starting to feel like Goldilocks. That one will be just right. That one might be good for that. Ooh, too small. So let's just do black. So when in doubt, black mats always make stuff pop, right? We just need something for behind mom, and we can always trim off the circles. There's a couple other things we can do when we don't have the exact size that we want. We can do the same size and like shadow it, or we can also cut it in half and pull it either way. So we always have options, right? All kinds of options. And then we have to decide if we're going to, which one we're going to put on top of the other. I don't know, that little bird is just a little bit there. That one there. Okay, so for the mama bird and the baby bird, I have two circles punched that are the same size as the circles that I did the birds on. So what do you think for our 15-minute idea? Do you like it? Am I going to show it to you? Hope you enjoyed this card. If you need to pick up the Bird's Eye View stamp set, just click on my website. I have the address below, and pick one up. And remember the Sweetest Songbirds, if you like birds, also has some very nice greetings that match with that go along well with the Bird's Eye View. Thanks for stopping by on my crazy cuckoo bird day here at the Roost. Have a great day.